Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to open an account on HSBC Bank. Now, as you can see, we are here on HSBC Bank. And what we can do is right here, if you go here, we can see that here you can see how to apply. So to apply, you need to be 18 plus, obviously. Now, as you can see, here are just some of the things that you get with HSBC bank account. Now, obviously, you have a bank account app. Everything can be done through the app. So all you have to do is click how to apply here. And as you can see right here, there are things to know before you apply. Now, make sure to read all of these things before you actually go and apply. Now, who can apply? If you're 18 or older, if you are happy for us to do credit check against your name, and if you live in UK, if you can provide ID and proof of address if needed, and if you have read the important account documents below, then you'll be able to go and apply for the account. Now, as you can see, you can apply for a sole account or a joint account. Now, if you want, you can apply for a sole account here, apply for your account online in minutes, so you can do it online. So you can go here, apply for sole account, and as you can see here, just some eligibility. So just click confirm and start. And here you'll need to go through the entire application in order to open an account on HSBC Bank. Now, as you can see, you will need to go through these details, email address, title, Mr. or Mrs. First name, surname. So you will have to go through the entire data, and then obviously at the end of it, you will need to wait, I think, a couple of hours or days even for them to open your account. Sometimes it happens instantly, but that's pretty much how you can go and open an account on HSBC Bank. It's very simple, very easy. Obviously, once you reach the bank here, you can go here and just apply now for the helping bank account, or you can scroll down and see basically a lot of different tools like current accounts, savings, investments. You can find your account, by the way, right here. Now, that is pretty much how you can open an account on HSBC Bank. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.